So cooking lunch for your hubby or for your wife, you want to start off with your bread, any type of bread that you want. Then we're going to put some mayo on it. Cook you some bacon, add however much mayo you like. I don't like that much mayo, so the next step, I took and washed off some lettuce. So hold on one second. After you wash off your lettuce, make sure that you dry it, okay? You want to pat it with a little paper towel or leave it sitting out dry, okay? And then we're going to move on to the next steps, which is we're going to add a few sliced flat cucumbers that are seasoned in some salt and pepper. You want to add that. To your meal. Oh, we actually need that with it right here. Just however much slices you and your family are going to eat, like that. Then we're going to take and add some slices of tomatoes. Do it as well. There we go. And I'm gonna take some ham, add some honey ham to it as well. I'm gonna add some roast beef. Usually I use provolone cheese, but we don't have none, so we have Swiss cheese, so we're going to use some Swiss cheese on it as well. And then we're going to add our slices of fresh bacon to it as well. And then we're going to go ahead, you can put some honey mustard on it, you can put some mustard or Italian dressing on it. So I'm going to put a little bit of Italian dressing on the side for them and some honey mustard, and that's going to be the dressing for it. So this is a little short lunch idea for you guys, okay? Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification on so that you guys will be notified every time your girl posts a video. So yeah, you guys, now we're gonna go ahead, add this, and we're gonna do the sauce on the side so that the sandwiches don't get soggy. There you go. Now I put the Italian dressing underneath the tomatoes and on top of the lettuce so that the bread doesn't get soggy. So that I basically made like a sandwich of the lettuce, and I put the sauce between the lettuce so that way the sauce would be in the lettuce and not over all of the other parts of it. And then I sprinkled some honey mustard on top. So this is the finishing touches of the sandwiches. Looks really, 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 really good. Added the sauce on there, so yeah.